thank you for joining us, everyone. And let's jump right in, shall we, Chris? Because reading your entry to the platform paper, you speak about the importance of striking that very delicate balance between being truly digital and truly human. How is Standard Bank able to do this, given its presence in so many diverse markets in Africa?
No, thank you, Toby. And I think, during COVID-19 pandemic, we have rediscovered the value of real human connections, be it with family, friends, colleagues, and communities. It has also reaffirmed that, digital technology has this innate ability to bring us all together, to be more human connected, not less. Moreover, digitization has sparked this marked adjustment in power away from the corporates towards our clients, our stakeholders, and just society at large. With digital disruption impacting almost every industry, clients have come to expect this personalized service that can be accessed anywhere at any time via their preferred touchpoints. As digitization drives this convergence of industries across the globe, traditional financial services groups are contending with a wide range of new competitors. And at the same time, the blurring of the industry boundaries provides us with an opportunity to meet a wide array of clients' needs, deepen our customer relationships, and fulfill our purpose of driving Africa's growth and uplifting her people. At our group, Standard Bank, we continue to respond to our clients' needs and our employees and continue accelerating and implementing our future-ready strategy. One of our key focus areas within lowering our cost to serve is to find that right balance between being truly human and truly digital. I think to get this right, we need to future-proof our workforce with some hard skills, data science, programming, behavioral sciences. We believe that being truly human will remain a key engagement imperative. However, going forward, there has to be this shift away from this human interface behind the scenes in the back offices, because that often slows the service to our clients and acts as a bottleneck, because solutions have not been fully digitized. Therefore, enhancing our straight-through paperless processes is one of the key measures and one of our key focus areas. I think as banks evolve from traditional to being fully digital enabled and more diversified services organizations, we'll continue to see the value of offerings, leveraging more technology, and providing a better understanding of risk assessment of each of our clients. The end consumer will ultimately feel the impact and will be better equipped, and we will certainly be better equipped to deliver exceptional universal financial services solutions delivered in a truly digital and human way.
You had me at truly digital. I've been trying to do truly digital my whole life. I just keep having to stop for lunch. I mean, what I've heard you say, Chris, which is a few of the themes that have come through, is that you need to keep the client at the center, right? And you need to be tech ready. But you have to bring your teams along for the journey and make sure that their skills are enough to keep them future fit. But you also need to collaborate with others to increase your impact on the continent.